How to open a Cognia accredited K12 school in the US. In this video, we will go over our step-by-step guide that will help you understand this process. Education is the most powerful weapon, which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela's words remind us that founding a school is a profound way to shape future generations. If you're wondering how to open a private K-12 school in the United States, it all starts with a clear vision. Know what sets your school apart and let that passion guide every decision. When beginning a K-12 journey, research your state's unique rules. Being thorough ensures a solid foundation from day one. Map out your mission and core values. They'll drive your curriculum, hiring, and overall ethos, uniting teachers, students, and families under a shared purpose. Dive into specific regulations for health, safety, and teacher certification. Every location has its own requirements, so stay informed to avoid hurdles later. Establish a legal structure that supports your school's goals. Whether you go for profit or nonprofit, a strong governance model keeps everything on track. Draft a detailed business plan. This blueprint outlines budget, enrollment targets, and growth projections, so you always know where you're heading. When people ask how much does it cost to open a private school, point them to your financial plan. Clear projections and contingency funding prepare you for unexpected twists. Secure stable resources. Mix private investments, grants, and tuition revenue to ensure you're building on a solid financial footing. Choose your campus or digital platform carefully. Consider factors like community access, zoning, or robust technology tools to best serve your learners. Hire staff who share your commitment to excellence. Background checks, valid certifications, and a passion for education are essential. Craft a curriculum that merges state standards with your unique educational philosophy. Encourage hands-on projects and creative thinking to spark student engagement. Establish clear policies for enrollment, attendance, and conduct. These guidelines foster consistency and mutual respect in your learning community. Don't forget accreditation. Earning formal recognition signals to parents, students, and the public that your school meets high standards. An accreditation consultant can guide you through the complexities of this process, ensuring you address every requirement thoroughly. Cognia is a globally recognized accreditation body focusing on leadership, learning, and resources. It is the perfect choice for K-12 schools aiming for excellence. Financial readiness matters. Accreditation fees can range from $50,000 to $100,000. This includes hiring an accreditation consultant and paying Cognia fees. Membership fees vary based on your school type. Factor those into your budget. First, join the Cognia Global Network. You'll gain access to tools, best practices, and invaluable support. After becoming a Cognia member, complete a self-assessment to see where your school excels and where it can grow. Honest evaluation is vital to meaningful improvement. The determining step is the site visit or the Cognia engagement review. Professionals will visit, on-site or virtually, to observe teaching, interview stakeholders, and check documentation. Once you receive their report, celebrate the commendations, then tackle the recommendations with a solid action plan. Progress never stops in a thriving school. Becoming a Cognia accredited school is such a great honor and a big responsibility at the same time. You will have to submit annual report and maintain high standards to keep your accreditation. Keep Mandela's wisdom in mind. Education is the most powerful weapon. Let that inspire you to refine your institution so it truly empowers every student. With consistent follow-through on Cognia's improvement path, you'll maintain your accredited status and demonstrate lasting dedication to quality. And feel free to call me today to schedule your consultation. I've been helping clients establish schools in the US for over a decade, and I look forward to helping you. Call 925-208-9037 or email Sandra@experteduconsult.com.